Well, Jaafar and the judge did, over the objection of the state, say that it is coming in. So the state said, well, we're going to bring it in our case in chief. Who do you think should bring it out first in their opening statement, if that's allowed?
I think we've seen many. I've always given the analogy, when I'd get a bad report card as a kid, I'd call my dad when he was at his office and tell him about it, just because he'd had 5-6 hours to stew on it. So I've always given that analogy. The state has to bring it out. They had to file their motion objecting for the evidence to be introduced, but this is clearly should have been introduced. This is absolutely a known hearsay to the exception rule. 100% that was going to be admitted. I mean, for many, this passes at least no less than 3 exceptions to the hearsay exception. So I think the state has to bring it out, because primacy and recency, right? You don't want to end the trial. You don't want the last, because this will be the last thing that the defense, if the prosecution doesn't bring it in, this will be the last thing that the defense will bring in, kind of as like a, kind of like a mic drop moment, right? So the prosecution has to bring it out. The